What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got Ryan and I got Austin with me today. So we're going to Wide Open Customs to see what they've done to my truck, and we're getting some burritos.
Say what?
Oh!
Party foul.
Definitely just hit the mirror of the camera.
$165.
Cool.
Alright, thank you. Here you go.
Alright. Alright, guys, so it's been like a month. Actually, it might have been like a month and a week since I've seen my truck. And I haven't really talked to them much. Don't have any idea what they've done to it. Austin, what do you think's done?
I think that it might have some extra tubes on it. That's it.
Just a couple tubes?
Just a couple tubes.
Where? Front, back?
Back.
Back? Ryan?
Gonna say probably nothing done to it and it got parted out.
Fuck. Rip.
Yeah, we're gonna need some new shocks.
I know, right? I'm like, can I at least have the shocks I brought back?
We're looking for a cab now.
Yeah, you're gonna need a whole new cap. We just started fresh.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Alright, well I guess we'll find out when we get there. Okay, ready? Watch this. It's gonna be like a really cool like teleportation thing. Ready? I'm gonna smack the camera, we're gonna arrive at Wide Open. Oh shit. Yep. Cool. Well, we're here. Let's do this. They're nowhere to be found. Bring it to my truck.
Hey, I was right.
They probably were all the tubes done this weekend, but we ran out of tubes.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's glass on this side.
Is there?
Well, just so I could see, we put the glass in there just to see how far the keyboard runs out the
Oh
back.
shit, I forgot you had a truck.
Alright guys, so checking it out here, looking at what they did to the truck. So far they have started working on the whole back half, got a lot of the tubes in place. And the links are all cut out and ready to be welded together. So next time I come out here, I will be able to show you guys the links. Probably a lot more work on this. And I've got some work to do at home too. I gotta get my motor together and ready and then bring the motor out for them. But yeah, still a lot of work to go, but definitely got a lot of good progress here. I get to see most of the back half, how it's gonna be laid out, how we're gonna set up my spares, which is gonna be basically how this tire is sitting here. We're gonna have moved over a little bit, but one sitting on the outside and the other side, the other one sitting on the outside of this side, and have some kind of storage or something here in the center. And then just measured out where we're gonna be at full bump. And then basically at full bump, the axle, the center of the axle is going to be somewhere in this neighborhood up here, which means I'm going to be most likely tucking the rim into the bedside with the tire at the very top of the bedside here at full bump. This is going to be the bottom of the link. These are the side plates for the shock pockets. A bunch of small pieces here. Show you guys this. So these are going to be the front mounts on the frame rail, and then these are just all the different pieces that they use to plate it and finish it once it's all together, and then there's some more pieces on the bottom for plating it all together here as well. But basically everything's all cut out, just need to get them all welded up and put together. They're going to be 6. I'm super excited about being able to see them once they're all in one piece. I've seen one or two sets they built before and they look really good, so look forward to showing them to you guys. New shocks that I got for my truck, I didn't really notice how ridiculously big they were until I saw them hanging on this rack right here next to my old shocks. So these are the old shocks that's the front of my truck. And these are the new ones. So I mean, looking at them side by side does a little bit more of a justice. So these are fully extended over here, and these are fully compressed, and they're literally bigger. I mean, you can tell I'm a pretty big guy, but you can see there. Can't even wrap my hand around them. Crazy. Alright Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I wanted to just give you a little update. Got some of the tube work done. Next video should be a lot better. Just got done talking to them about basically what I'll be able to see the next time we go. Link should be done. Back half should be quite a bit complete. I mean, obviously not completely done, but most of it should be finished, and I will be able to show you guys what I'm doing with my motor, hopefully in between this video and the next update video. So we'll catch you guys on the next one.